Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine. Children, as you all know, we are learning subtraction. We are solving word problem. So children, yesterday we have completed till question number 9. Today we are going to start from question number 10 in your composite mathematics, page number 53, and your exercise number is 3.5. So children, I welcome you once again in your maths video class. So children, let's start doing exercise. Okay, so today is July 2021. And your chapter is 3, subtraction. And we are doing exercise number 3.5, and we have completed, children, question number 9 yesterday. Today we are going to start from number 10. So number 10 is, first I will read, then we will start writing in our copy. In a cricket match, our team scored 435 runs. An Australian team scored 146 runs, less than our team. How many runs did Australian team score? Now children, the question is very clear to us. That is, our Indian team has scored 435 runs. An Australian team scored 146 runs, less than our team. So how many runs did Australian team score? Now the question is, how many runs did Australian team scored? So children, let's write this question in your copy, then we will start solution. Okay, so let's write it down. In a cricket match, our team scored 435 runs. Okay, an Australian team scored 146 runs, less than our team. How many runs did Australian team score? Okay, now children, write this question in your copy. After that we will solve this. In a cricket match, our team scored 435 runs and Australian team scored 146 less than. It means ये हमारी टीम से 146 रन कम बनाया. Okay, so our team, how many runs did Australian team scored? So now children, first we will subtract from total number of our score, then because 146 runs less than our team, Australia team scored, so we have to write down the solution first. So children, we are moving from the solution. So write down solution. Number of runs our team scored. Okay, how much? 435. 435. Okay, number of less runs Australian team scored. Number of less runs Australian team scored equal to 146. 146 children. Now next line, number of runs Australian team scored. It means here we have to take out total number of Australian team score. So what we will do, we just here we are going to subtract over here. So first 435 minus 146 equal to what we will get. Here you can see children, 5 is there, 5 is much bigger than 6. So what we will do, we will ask help from 3 tens. So 3 tens will give help, then it will become 15. Now what is left over here? Yes children, this is 2. So 15 minus 6 is what we will get? We will get 9. Yes, and because 4 is there and it is bigger than 2. So what we will do children? What we will do? So we will ask help again. Okay, we will ask help again from 400. Then 400 will give help of 100. So it will become 12 tens. So now here what is left? Here 3 is left. Now 12 minus 4 equal to 8. Yes. And here 3 minus 1 equal to 2. So answer is 289. Okay. Answer is 289. So children, complete it. This is 435. We subtract 146. We will get 289. So total score of Australian team is, we will write over here answer. Answer we will write children. Write it down. Okay children. So here what we will write? We will write Australian team has scored 289 runs. Okay. So here after subtraction we will get Australian team has scored 289 runs. Okay children. So complete it. Now here you can see 289 runs. Okay. Take a screenshot. Okay children. Now children, after doing this, we will start 11 number, question number 11. There were 205 kites in a shop. Okay. The shopkeeper sold 167 kites. How many are still to be sold? Now children, here you can see there are 205 kites in a shop. In a kite shop, there are only 205 kites in a shop. Okay, the shopkeeper sold 167 kite. Shopkeeper ने 167 kites को बेचा. How many are still to be sold? और कितनी बाकी रह गई हैं sell करने के लिए? Okay, so children, first we will write question and then we will solve this. Okay, so I am going to write question on the board. First you will write question, children, then we will write solution. So this is question number 11. There were 205 kites in a shop. The shopkeeper sold 167 kites How many are still to be sold? So the question is, there were 205 kites. So children, write it down, and now after that we will do solution. Okay, so I am going to write solution over here. Children, start writing. So how many kites in a shop? There are 205 kites. So first we will write number of kites in a shop, children. So equal to 205. Okay, the shopkeeper sold 167 kites. Now here, children, you can see 167 kite. It means number of kites shopkeeper sold, that is 167. Now number of kites is still left to sold. Okay, so still left to be sold. You can write to be sold also, to be sold. So for this we have to subtract from total number of kites to 167. Okay, so let's start, children. 205, 67, sorry. Now first we will subtract, children. Okay, so what will be there? So here you can see this is 5. This is less than 7. So what we will do? We will ask help from 0. 0 don't have anything. So 0 will ask from 200. So 100 will give 100 this. So it will become 10 tens. Now 10 tens. Now here 1 is left. So 10 tens will give 1 10 to this 5 ones. So now here 9 is left. Now it will become 15. 15 minus 7. What we will get, children? 15 minus 7 is 8. Yes, 8. Now 8 we will get. Okay. Now after that, now children, here you can see 9 is left over there. So 9 minus 6 equal to 3. Okay. Now because 2 has given 1, so only and only 1 is left over here. So here what we will get? We will get 0. Nothing is there. So total answer we will write, answer 38 kites are still left to be sold. यानी इतनी काइट अभी भी बच गई हैं बेचने के लिए. So 38 kites are left in the shop. So shopkeeper has only and only 38 kites to be sold. So children, now we are moving to the next question. You just write it down. Take a screenshot. Okay children. After that, we will do question number 12 children. Take a screenshot children. Okay. I hope you have completed. Now we are moving to next question, that is 12. Okay. So out of 425 books in a library, 268 books were issued to the students. How many books are still in the library? Okay children. So the question is, out of 425 books in the library, 268 books were issued to the student. It means 425 total book में से library में 268 books बच्चों को issue कर दी गई. Okay. How many books are left in the library? Now the question is, how many books are left in the library? It means इतनी बुक्स थी, टोटल 425 बुक्स थी, उनमें से 268 बुक्स बच्चों को, स्टूडेंट्स को इश्यू कर दी गई. सो हाउ मैनी बुक्स आर स्टिल इन द लाइब्रेरी? नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज, कितनी बुक अभी रह गई हैं लाइब्रेरी में? सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट दिस क्वेश्चन in our copy, as well as I am going to write on the board also, and after that we will solve this together. Okay, so this is question number 12 children. Question number 12. Out of 425 books, 425 books in a library, 268 books were issued to the students. Now children, question is, so how many books are still? How many books are still in the library? Question mark. Okay, how many books are still in the library children? So children, let's solve this question. So we will write here solution. Number of books in library equal to 268. Okay, 425. Number of books, So here 435 and 268. Number of books issued equal to 268. Okay. So now how many books are left? So that we are going to write number of books are still in library equal to 425, 268, and here we are going to minus it or subtract it. Okay. So here children you can see 5 is there and 8 is there. 5 is smaller or greater? It is smaller. So here the 5 will ask help from 2. 2 will give 110 to this and it will become 15. 15 minus 8. What is the answer? 15 minus 8 is? Yes. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. Now here because 1 is left over here because 2 tens has given 110 to this 5 ones. So that is why 110 is left. So it is very less in comparison of 6. So what we will do? We will ask help from 100. So 100 will give 1 and it will become 11. And now here 3 is left children. Okay, 3 is left. So what we will do? 11 minus 6, 5. Okay, 11 minus 6 is 5. And here because 3 is left over here, 3 minus 2 is 1 children. So total 157 books are still in the library. After issuing 268 books to the students, only and only 157 books are left. So we will write answer children. Here I am going to write answer. 157 books are still in the library. Are still in the library. So completed children. Take a screenshot. Now after that we will solve next question. So completed children. Take a screenshot. Okay. Okay children. I hope this is clear to you. Now we are moving to the 13 number question. Okay. Number question children. By how much is 400 greater than 307? So children, this is a different type of the question and only you have to write the difference between 400 to 307. It means इतना ये दोनों के बीच में कितना difference है. So for this we will only do subtraction, as you all know. For taking out the difference we have to do subtraction. So children, first we will write by how much is 400 now children is 400 greater than 307? Question mark. Yes, 400 is greater than 307, but we have to prove it. So solution, how can we do this? We just subtract 200 to 307. So for this, what we will do, children? First, we will ask help from, because this is 0, so we can't write 0 over here. So what we will do, children? We just ask help from this one, and this tens will ask help from 4. So 4 will give 1, and here 3 is left. Now again, because 10 is there, so 10 will give 1 and it will become 10. Now here 9 is left. So 10 minus 7 equal to 3. 9 minus 0, we will get 9. And here 3 minus 3, we will get nothing. So the answer is 93. The difference between 200 and 307, 400 to 307, we will get answer 93. 93 is the difference between 400 to 307. So children, complete it. Completed, children, or take a screenshot. Now children, we are moving to the next question, that is question number 14. By how much is 298 less than 325? Again, we will do just 325. We are going to subtract 325 out of 298. So we will get answer. Then this answer we will write. So here children, first we will write question. Question number 14 we will write on the board, and just write down in your copy. By how much is 298 by how much is 298 less than 325. Question. Now here solution we will do. It is very easy, children. First we have to subtract from 325 to 298. So we can take out the difference first. So first what we will do, we will just write down we are going to subtract this. This is 5, as you all know, this is smaller number, so it will ask help from 2 tens. So 2 tens will give 1, so it will become 15. 15 minus 8 is, you will write here, 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay. Now here you can see 1 is left. Again 1 is smaller number than 9. So what we will do, we will ask help from this 100. So 100 will give 1, and here only and only 2 is left. So 11 minus 9 is, we can do reverse counting, 10 and 11. So here 2 is left. Now here nothing. So only and only 27 is left. So by how much is 298 less than 325? Here you can see this is 27 is the difference you can find in that. Okay, so completed, children. Now after that we will do 15 number. This is the last question of exercise number 3.5. So here Kanu had rupees 183 with him. He bought a book for rupees 59. Estimate the amount left with him. So here first of all round off to tons. So this is the hint, it is already given in this. So first we will write children question, then we will complete this answer. Okay, so I hope you have completed this. 27 is the answer. And now we are going to do last question, 15 number. On 15 number, Kanu had rupees 103 with him. Rupees 103. Okay, rupees 103 with him. He bought a book for. He bought a book for rupees 59. Rupees 59. Estimate the count left with him. Estimate the count left with him. It means, children, Kanu had 183 rupees with him. It means Kanu के पास 183 rupees थे and he bought a book for rupees 59. और उसने 59 rupees की एक book खरीद ली. So estimate the count left with him. It means we have to first round off, then we will estimate this sum. Okay, so we will get the difference after the estimation. So children, this question we will do in our next video class. You just try to complete this question by yourself. Okay children, so we will do this question in our next class also, but this is your homework to complete this question. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow we will meet again. Till then, bye bye and take care.